Hey guys, welcome back. I am out on a fun project today. Over the next couple of weeks, make sure you follow along because we are going to be turning this lawn into something that won't even be recognizable. We are going to not necessarily tear it all out. I am going to be spraying for all of these weeds because they've got a really big problem with goat heads in their yard. So these will grow to be mature, get very pokey, and they are scattered absolutely everywhere throughout their yard. But today I am out here to spray this all. I've already done a soil test for them. For the most part, this lawn's actually really good. A little bit low on nitrogen, a little bit low on sulfur, a little bit low on iron. That is it. The dirt is really soft here, as you can see. Super soft, not compacted at all. Aerating this lawn would probably hurt it more than help it. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray all of these weeds. We're going to get rid of them. He doesn't necessarily need to do the organic route on this, so we're going to use the full synthetic herbicides, selecticides, kill everything off. But the current grass that is here, we're going to leave in. Then here in the backyard, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to kill off all of these weeds. Not this upcoming weekend, but the following weekend. We are going to come through here, dethatch everything, put down some new grass seed, and watch this lawn come back to life. But as you can see, these weeds are absolutely everywhere. And unfortunately, once they mature and get old enough, they turn into stickers. You cannot walk out here barefoot. That's the best part of having a lawn. Walking around, enjoying that lawn, laying in it, and really enjoying being out here. But unfortunately, with the state of this right now, you cannot. So we're going to be working over the next couple of weeks on getting this lawn back up to being a lawn that they enjoy being in. In this mixture, I went with Quinclorac, T-Zone, SpeedZone, and Tenacity. I didn't want any weeds coming back, that's why the Tenacity, and I wanted to make sure everything died off. And that's why a little bit of overkill with so many different products going down on this lawn. If the grass ends up getting damaged from it, that's no big deal. We're going to be putting down brand new grass seed in just a couple of weeks on this. Guys, I want to show you this stuff. I don't know if you've ever dealt with morning glory, also known as bindweed. But that's what this viney stuff is right up against the house. It was the absolute bane of my existence, this stuff right here. Until I was informed about Quinclorac and SpeedZone. Quinclorac kills off morning glory, where the SpeedZone makes it fast acting through the vines and the roots, because this stuff will actually live 6 feet deep and 50 feet wide. So if I were to pull this out right here 50 feet over somewhere else, it'll sprout up a new portion of that plant. So SpeedZone and Quinclorac will completely kill off this morning glory, and I used it in my old house and never had a problem with it. Fortunately, we've got Quinclorac in our tank here, so we'll give that a little spray, and that stuff will die off in no time. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, follow, all of that fun stuff. We'll be back out here in a couple of weeks to use the dethatcher and Scarfire to tear this all up and get some seed down. See what happens over the next month. Catch you later, guys.
I had a little bit left over in the backpack sprayer, so I chose to spray this little section of the lawn here. This will eventually turn into a patio for them to enjoy, but figured I'd kill off what was there with the little bit that was left back in the backpack. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow back to see updates on this lawn.